Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 1999 Hyundai Excel X3 Sprint hatch, stock reference number 5319. This shape runs from the 10th month 1994 through to the 9th month 2000. There's a G4FK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. G4FK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand corner light, front bumper cover does have a cut near the left headlight appears to be good. Left guard 2 small dents and is faded on the top edge. Left front 13-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Left manual door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents and light wobbles throughout the centre. Left rear 13-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Left tail light. Rear bumper cover faded on the top edge. Tailgate has 2 small dents, also faded, and it's missing the garnish. Right hand tail light, right rear 13-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, right front door has 4 small dents, right manual door mirror, and a right guard with 1 dent and faded on the top edge, and a right front 13-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. The driver's side door trim. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, interior mirror, and the instrument cluster.